Ito yung sinasabi. Bitawan ni Kenny Redfield. Oh, Johnny Abarrientos, binigay sa ilalim. Pero masama loob ni Redfield doon, nalaagawan siya.
Wise na wise ang ginawa ni Johnny. Pinalagpas niya muna si Kenny Redfield, sabay sinundutan niya sa likod. And, you know, ordinarily, you're not gonna catch Johnny, but Redfield firm.
Bigson, 3-point shot.
Yes.
Abarrientos pumihit. Wala. Patay ang butiki. Nakakuha ni Kenny Redfield. Redfield sumasagit-sit papunta sa front court. Tuloy-tuloy!
Scoreless, okay.
Scoreless pala.
Okay. Tutulong as far as scoring. Wow.
Sala, masyado malakas yung tira ni Chris Bolado. Bong Hawkins! That will count. Chambers lumapit na kaunti. Off the glass. Masyado malakas. Peter na rin nabitawan ng bola. Agawan! Jump ball situation in front of the Alaska basket. Humarunod papunta sa front court. Inabot kay Benji Paras. That will count with a foul.
Well, medyo nakikita natin sa fast break dito. Shell trying to use all their bench and use more people, go to the break a little bit more.
Humihingi na naman ang traveling dito sila.
Ito hindi naman siguro. Ito mali sila dito. Ito hindi traveling.
Ito lumalayo na naman ang formula Shell. Nice tap by Jojo Lastimosa. Banggaan si Cariaso at si Tixon.
Tixon is gonna feel the brunt of a bigger player.
Para siya bumangga sa pader doon. Magandang gabi po Pilipinas. Ito po si Ed Pixon kasama si Andy Howe para sa Game 5. At narito po ang ating kasama si Anthony Suntay. Anthony?
Okay, thank you very much, Ed. Obviously, Coach Tim Cohn is very disappointed about the way his team is playing. He told them, let's not rush things. We're getting a lot of good looks, but because we're rushing it too much, hindi pumapasok yung mga tira natin. So sabi niya, guys, we gotta do better because this is a very important all Game 5. At the same time, yung situation po ni Johnny Abarrientos, he's feeling okay. The only problem is when he has to come out of the game, dun lang sumasakit medyo yung likod niya. Let's go back to you, Ed.
Thank you very much, Anthony. Nakita natin si Johnny Abarrientos nagbintis pero siya pa nakakuha ng loose ball. So, mukhang okay.
Well, nakikita mo nangyayari. Alaska has not changed its first 5 unit at all. Shell has already gotten some of its players off the bench playing. And that's a big miscue there by Chambers. Passing to Lastimosa was cutting in. So, miscommunication.
Well, sabi nga ni Anthony Suntay kanina, sumasakit lang daw yung likod ni Johnny pag umuupo siya. Para bang yung sa cartoon si Only When I Laugh. Di ba? It hurts only when I laugh.
Pare, marami ka talagang nalalaman na ano.
Ito si Kenny Redfield sa loob, wala.
He has been scoreless so far here in the first half of play.
Ganun pa man, lamang pa rin ang kupunan niya. 17-11, a 6-point lead by Formula Shell. Johnny Abarrientos has it against Romel Santos. Abarrientos pumihit. Wala, patay ang butiki. Nakakuha ni Kenny Redfield. Redfield sumasagit-sit papunta sa front court. Tuloy-tuloy!
Scoreless, okay.
Scoreless pala. Okay. Remedyohan natin. Sabi ni Kenny Redfield. Pwede na ba itong dalawa? Sige, dalawa muna.
Okay. And we have Shell now enjoying an 8-point lead with a minute and 40 seconds gone by here in the second quarter of play. Chambers
at left quarter court. Parang bagong taon. Maraming may dalang turotot dito sa...
Well, yun ang mga giveaways ng mga Shell team. And another miscue. They would like Christmas to come in September for their fans, for their team. No? Yan ang getaway ni Kenny Redfield against Sean Chambers on a one-on-one. We have Chris Bolado coming in to replace Johnny Abarrientos, fielding a very big team without a point guard.
Ibang klase itong formula ngayon ni Coach Tim Cohn. Tingnan natin kung ano ibig sabihin nito.
And he only has one legitimate guard kung talagang titignan mo yan, which is Lastimosa. Chambers will move to the backcourt for the meantime.
Oy, birthday nga pala ngayon ni Manay. Kahapon, tama, kahapon.
Binati ko na, sabi niya thank you. And you can see
Linda Vergara of the BBA. Paborito
Eternal 1975 pa siya nandito.
Ayun. Paborito po yan ang lalo-lalo ng mga taga-media. Okay mga kaibigan, Vic Pablo.
He has the best sandwiches also.
Oh yes, si Manay Linda. Masarap po sandwiches nandito. Benji Paras back to the basket shot. Wala, oops, last touch ni Benji.
Benji is really taking it strong and with a mission. You know, that's what I feel that he has not really played strong at all. You know, with not uncharacteristic of a Paras, as you see the very low field goal percentage from Alaska. And look at this, Sean Chambers is completely dismayed, frustrated. Maubos natin mga He just didn't know what hit him in that last play, no?
Samantala, nakikita niyo si Coach Tim Cone. Kenny Redfield ngayon, left quarter court, lamang kay Sean Chambers. Redfield, taking it strong now, off the glass, yes!
I don't think Chambers can guard him. He has proven that, especially if he allows Ken Redfield to continue to maneuver while dribbling.
Oo.
Yan ang advantage ni Redfield. Ang galing nga mag-dribble yun.
Samantala, George Lastimosa has not been making his shots from the outside. Lastimosa with only a free throw to show for his efforts so far. Samantala, si Benji Paras bibigyan ng konting papapahinga. Pumasok si Peter Naron sa panig ng Formula Shell.
Well, nangyari na para sa Shell is they've already completely changed their first five except for Kenny Redfield. No? Nakagagamit na nga yung bench. Yung sinasabi ko sa iyo, the guys that I think can help from the bench. You know?
Ano yung nireklamo ni Coach Tim Cone?
He thought that the ball was belonged to them. I'm not really sure. The events really came very quickly, pero parang tumama rin sa paan isang red shirt before it went out. No? But I'm not sure. No?
Meanwhile, it's a 10-point lead for Formula Shell. Vic Pablo. Lumapit ng kaunti.
Lumabas.
So, may konting tulak sa likod pero hindi nakita.
Well, those are incidental contacts. No? And Volado's wide open. Didn't even look at the basket.
Well, he wanted to pass to the cutting Bong Hawkins who was fouled underneath. At medyo nagre-reklamo si Kenny Redfield. Sabi nga tulungan niyo ako rito sa ilalim ba? Huwag natin pababayang sumasaksak sa loob yung mga player ng Alaska.
Well, kasi ang nangyari dyan, tinanong niya, salta niya, galing ka sa bench, alam mo ba sino binabantayan mo? Naobliga ako magbantay na iba. Who's your man? He asked Pablo the same thing. Who's your man? Pick them up, you know.
Samantala, pumasok na po si Jeffrey Carriazo. Inalabas muna si George Lastimosa. Sa panig ng Alaska Milk, Chris Bolado. Coach Wilio. Balik kay Carriazo. Narito si Hawkins naman. Sumaksak sa loob si Chambers. Nice play. Pero hindi pumasok ang tira. And there's going to be a loose ball foul on the rebound play. It's going to be on Pochwinyo. That's going to be his third. Pangatlo na yan. Si Pochwinyo.
Yes, he was caught pushing off against Kenny Redfield. Kaya si Winyo, nabanggit mo tatlo na personal foul niya. Papalitan na ni Johnny Abarientos. Back to the regular lineup para sa Alaska. Medyo magulo yung pumasok doon ng lima sa loob ng floor.
So kaya medyo mas sanay yata sila dito sa ganitong klase ng
Pati
sistema.
tayo.
Hindi tayo nalilito. Romel Santos from the keyhole. Wala. The tap goes out of bounds. Last touch ni Romel Santos.
But so far, Shell has not gotten anything from its two-point guards. Dixon is 0. And so is Santos. No? Wala pa silang tutulong as far as scoring. Wow.
Tala, masyado malakas sa tira ni Chris Bolado. Bong Hawkins! That will count. Pero pang foul. Nanakuha galing kay Terry Saldana. Samantala si Richie Tixon. Babalik na para kay Romel Santos. Samantala, 3-point play opportunity here for Bong Hawkins. Medyo napako tayo ng matagal kanina rin sa 21-11. And Bong Hawkins has made it 21-13. 21-14.
7-point lead here for Shell. But we're still only in the second quarter. That's a long, long way to go in this 5th game of the best-of-7 series.
7 minutes and 48 seconds to go in the period. Terry Saldana inabot kay Richie Tixon. Tixon picked up by Johnny Abarientos. Tixon humihingi ng pick kay Terry Saldana.
Gets it. But Johnny's right on top of it.
Peter Naron, 2 seconds on the shot clock. Tixon will have to put it up. 3-point shot. Wala.
Ball's on play because the ball did hit the ring just when the buzzer went off. No?
Bong Hawkins open shot.
Back-to-back baskets by Bong Hawkins.
5-point streak by Bong Hawkins cuts the lead down to only 5 at 21-16. Ito yung sinasabi. Uy! Bitawan ni Kenny Redfield. Oh, Johnny Abarientos binumutaya sa ilalim. Pero masama loob ni Redfield doon. Nalaagawan siya.
Wise na wise ang ginawa ni Johnny. Pinalagpas niya muna si Kenny Redfield. Sabay sinundutan niya sa likod. And, you know, ordinarily, you're not gonna catch Johnny. But Redfield, his pride was hurt.
Talaga may extra adrenaline yung habol na yun ni Redfield.
Yeah, you pick my pocket, so give me my wallet back.
Nabatala ito si Jeffrey Carriazo. Talagang spark plug ito para sa Alaska Milk coming off the bench. Carriazo cuts the lead down to 3 at 21-18. Samantala merong foul na tatawagin lamang kay Johnny Abarientos.
You know, that's a 7-0 run by Alaska.
Yes.
The lead is down to 3 from a 10-point lead by Shell.
Napako sila sa 21.
Yeah, 21, yun ang edad natin. Couple of years back. Hindi naman decades.
A couple of decades back.
Hickson, 3-point shot. Yes.
And he suddenly stretches the lead to 6 again at 24-18. 6 minutes and 37 seconds remaining in the second quarter. Bong Hawkins, pinabas kay Johnny Abarientos, pinapasa sana kay Chris Bolado. Sabi ni Bolado, ako patatangkipin mo rito sa taas. Bakit?
Well, he was going to go for an up pick while Johnny was wanting to pass to him and get a return pass. Pero nakatalikod na si Bolado, was coming for an up pick. Miscommunication.
Yun ang talaga miscommunication. Hindi nila alam kung anong gusto ng isa't isa.
Oo, ang labanan nasa Araneta. Nagpunta yata sa Cuneta yung isa.
Nagkaligawan. Kenny Redfield lamang kay Bong Hawkins. Nice turn back.
Way off the mark.
Masyado malakas. Cariaso menabot kay Johnny Abarientos. Abarientos hinahabol ni Kenny Redfield. Cariaso sumaksak sa loob. Wala! Chambers offensive rebound. Chambers lumapit ng kaunti. Off the glass. Masyado malakas. Peter na rin nabitawan ng bola. Agawan! Jump ball situation in front of the Alaska basket.
Well, obviously, it's a more physical ball game that we're seeing here in game number 5.
We have an early timeout by Tim Cone. Timeout tinawag ni Coach Tim Cone as Shell gets back to a 6-point lead. Kanina na ibaba nila yan to 3 after Shell led by 10 points. At ito si Johnny Abarientos off the jump. Tama kay Richie Tixon. Tinabas kay Bong Hawkins. Cariaso is open. Dunggulan sa ilalim. Big foul na bitawan. Nakuha ni Sean Chambers. Tinapik ni Kenny Redfield. Merong foul na tatawagin sa referee Benji Chua on Chris Bolado. That will be the first personal foul on Chris Bolado.
I think Shell realizes that if they want to win a ball game, they really have to go hard to the boards. And they're doing a good job of boxing out, not letting the Alaska players get to their points where they can rebound easily.
Well, marami nang sasabi nga, kanina nabanggit na ang Shell daw mas physical kaysa sa Alaska. Pero sinabi ni Tim Cone kanina, they want to be the aggressors dito sa larong ito.
Well, they have not started aggressively, you'd say, in the first half of play. Ito na naman, nakakalimutan ng bantay. Libre ang tira ni Bong Hawkins doon, no?
Richie Tixon ngayon, binigay kay Peter Naron.
That's traveling.
Oh.
Yung ginawa ni Naron na he dragged his whole feet there, did not really dribble. And Cone certainly is not happy about that. That was traveling.
Yes. Walang dribble talaga.
Yeah. Napasahan siya sa likod eh. So he did not think of dribbling. Just went and walked and passed off to Redfield who scored easily.
Offside. 4 minutes and 53 seconds remaining in the second quarter. Cariaso. Wala ba kay Peter Naron? Nakawala si Jeffrey Cariaso. Ang daming dinaanan nun.
Well, he's very creative in his moves right now. Jeffrey is improving every year that he continues to play here in the PBA. 6-point lead here for Shell. 4:35 left dito sa second quarter of play. Kala ko first quarter pa lang. Baba kasi na score eh.
Kenny Redfield. Medyo mahirap yung dinaanan din dyan. Pero foul na tatawag si Sean Chambers. First personal on the Alaska import. Lastimosa ibinalik para kay Bong Hawkins.
And Ramos will come to see action on the next dead ball situation. Meanwhile, 14 fouls called against Alaska, 2 against Shell. Dito tayo sa second quarter with 4:28 left. Ito swerte na kung may umabot ng 40 rito siguro.
Oh, the way it's going.
Yep.
Benji Paras, medyo patulak na tira.
Puro depensa nakikita natin.
Yes, oo. Matitinding depensa, ika nga.
And outside shot is almost non-existent. We only have 1 triple shot so far and that came from Tixon. No?
Yes. Jojo Lastimosa. Cariaso, iniwanan na naman si Peter Naron pero may switch si Benji Paras. Ang bilis talaga ni Cariaso. Ang bilis! Akala ni Benji lalabas. Sumunod si Peter Naron. Pero naiwanan na siya ni Jeffrey Cariaso.
Well, Naron is not the defensive player that Lim has shown to be. Naron is more of the offensive type of player. Pag hindi naka-score yan, wala talagang tulong para sa iyo yan.
Just a 4-point lead now by Shell. But Richie Dixon on the run.
Well,
Ito pumatay sunog nila.
Yes, he has 5 points ever since he came back from the bench, no? To lift the point guard scoring a little bit of Shell.
Chad Chambers. Labas kay Cariaso. Johnny Abarianos binigyan ng pick ni Chris Bolado. He gets open. Wala. Kenny Redfield para sa rebound. Redfield humarunot papunta sa frontcourt. Inabot kay Benji Paras. That will count with a foul.
Well, medyo nakikita natin sa fast break dito. Shell trying to use all their bench and use more people, go to the break a little bit more.
Humihingi na naman ng traveling dito sila.
Ito hindi naman siguro. Ito mali sila dito. Ito hindi traveling. Yung kanina, yung kay Naron talagang medyo marami. Ito, Benji went straight up. It's like the 1.5 step given to players.
Yes.
Siyempre, if things are not going your way, you always see what you like to see, di ba?
Yes.
Pero yung isa kanina, ang tingin ko traveling yun. Pero ito hindi. The referees made the right call in this play.
And a 3-point play opportunity for Benji last time around at the stripe. He split his charities. This time he made sure on that. Bonus shot. At umangat na naman sa siyam ang lamang ng Formula Shell at 31-22.
Kasamang Ed, the biggest lead was owned by Shell at 21-11, a 10-point lead,
Yes.
no?
Tama yun. Pero humabol doon ng Alaska. Ito, lumalayo na naman ang Formula Shell. Nice tap by Jojo Lastimosa. Banggaan si Cariaso at si Dixon.
Dixon is gonna feel the brunt of a bigger player.
Para siya bumangga sa pader doon. Medyo mabigat yung banggaan na yun. Yung sabong na yun. Well, habang inaasikaso po si Richie Dixon, we have this timeout. Nakita po ninyo yung banggaan na yun kung bakit bumulagta si Richie Dixon. Here's another angle.
It's like an immovable object being Cariaso, and obviously Richie Dixon is not an irresistible force. Kaya bagsak siya ron. Big fall. He's now replaced by Romel Santos. That was also his third personal foul.
Yes.
Good play.
Kevin Rama scores underneath. Richie Dixon, by the way, is okay.
Yeah.
Medyo nakadapa lang siya dun sa may sideline at nagpapahinga muna.
Kevin Ramos coming off the bench, getting his first 2 points, and giving Alaska, a good guy coming off the bench, very quickly.
Cuts the lead down to 7. Jojo Lim's back. Vic Pablo underneath. Napalakas ang tira. Nakuha ni Kevin Ramos ang rebound. Binigay kay Sean Chambers. Narito si Johnny Abarientos. Romel Santos right in front of him. Lastimosa versus Lim. Ito na si Chambers sa loob. Cariaso binabantayan ngayon ni Vic Pablo. 7 seconds on the shot clock. Chambers, medyo mahina. Napulit ni Benji Paras. Benji, nangunguna para sa Formula Shell. Nagtaka siya. Sabi niya, teka muna, ba't ako nauna rito?
At saka ba't ako nagdadala ng bola? Hindi ko papel yan. Kayong magdala ng bola, bigay niyo sa akin dito. Yan, dito ako.
Whoops, meron tapik. Palabas. And it will stay with Formula Shell with 11 seconds on the shot clock. Nasa second quarter po tayo ng labanang ito. Game 5 of the Best of 7 Championship Series. Tabla po ang serye, 2 wins apiece for Alaska and Formula Shell. Tie will be broken tonight. Redfield nagbintis. Jojo Lim. Inabot kay Benji Paras. Narito si Redfield, sumaksak sa loob. Dilabas ulit kay Jojo Lim. Traveling violation is going to be called.
Very surprised that Shell is not taking it harder to the hoop because Alaska is already in the penalty. There is that tendency to commit more fouls pag dumadrive ang opponents, and you get chances to go to the free throw line.
Well, sabi mo kanina, may hirapang umabot ng 40. Baka 35 lang. Mahirapan. 1:15 to go. At 31 pa lang ang score ng Shell. Sean Chambers misses. Kenny Redfield para sa rebound.
Ang Alaska baka mahirapan umabot sa 30.
Oo.
Especially if Shell takes its time on this next plays, no? Because they do have control of the ball right now with only a minute left.
Redfield ngayon, ito nga, taking your time, very deliberate. Uy, nahirapan kunin si Vic Pablo yung pasong yon. Medyo maluwag. Wow, Cariaso! He's going to be fouled.
Well, Shell is going a lot to Victor Pablo, but he has had no success on his post-up play. Second personal foul on Benji Paraso, and a very aggressive drive to the basket there by Jeffrey Cariaso. Tingnan mo mga assist ng Alaska. Only 5 compared to Kenny Redfield's alone. Although Redfield has not been much of a scorer in this ball game. 6 lang ang ginagawa niya.
Lahat dito sa second quarter.
And he has missed all of his 3-point attempts. Cariaso makes the first free throw. Has had a big second quarter for Cariaso. Si Paras papalitan muna. Siguro preserbahan na rin ni Coach Narbasa yung mga fouls ni Paras with only 44 seconds. And besides, Escobar has played well for him in the first quarter.
Oh yes. Johnny Escobar scored 6 points in the early goings. Tagbintis yung pangalawang tira ni Cariaso na kuha ni Kenny Redfield ng rebound. 38 segundos na lang ang nalalabay dito sa ating second quarter. Redfield medyo binubulabog sa likod. Cariaso pa rin ang nagbabantay kay Kenny Redfield. Kapalitan sila talaga ni Johnny Abarrientos. Redfield hanging on to the leather. Romel Santos pupukol. Wala. Tapikan. Habulan sa bola. Nakuha ni Johnny Abarrientos para lumabas sa sideline.
Only 18 seconds left in this second quarter. So obviously Shell, if they can get a good inbound, can go for the last shot. Alaska has no fouls to give because they are in the penalty.
31-25 ang ating score. 6-point lead ng Formula Shell.
But 6-point lead is nothing when you go to the whole second half where you have 24 minutes. And Shell really could have had a bigger lead except for the very poor shooting also. Like that pass.
Off balance si Kenny Redfield. Johnny Abarrientos. Nasa ilalim. Yes! Wow, beating the buzzer. And at the end of the second quarter, it is Shell by 4, 31-27. At halftime, we're going to have Novia, our live performer. Magkakaroon po tayo ng mga interviews with Rick Marata at Kenneth Duremdes. At syempre pa, ang halftime analysis ni Dr. J and our dugout reports. Stay tuned, folks.